In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a headlight bulb on a Honda CR-V, which is located behind the headlight assembly. After you lift and supported the hood, you're going to look on the driver's side. Your headlight bulb is in here. It's right next to this fuse box that's right next to your battery. You don't have to take this fuse box out, but I feel if you do, you get a little bit more room. So this is really something that you don't have to do, but it will give you a little bit more room. So you push this tab, pull it up, push this tab, pull it up, get it out of its holder, kind of hold it off to the side, take your fuse box, push it off to the side. Now you have your plug and a rubber boot. You can take a screwdriver down, pry backwards, pop that plug off the headlight bulb, put it off to the side. Now you have your rubber boot. Pry outwards like that. Remove that boot. Once you get your boot off, there's a little clip right here. You want to push down and left up. Swing that piece of wire out of the way and remove your bulb. Your headlight bulb only goes in one way, where that clamp will hold it. So when you're putting it in, you want to put it in with this tab facing up. So you want to put it in like that. Once you have your tabs all aligned, push your metal piece down, and there's a little hook that hooks onto to hold it in like that. Make sure your bulb is in secure and flat. Slide it over the prongs of the bulb. Take your plug it back in. Make sure that's nice and secure. Take your fuse box, slide it over these two metal tabs. Push straight down, make sure that's locked in, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.